Hey guys, I found the coolest thing here at Moore Expo, and I gotta show it to you. We're gonna talk to Harrison. He's gonna tell you all about it.
Hey guys, my name's Harrison. I'm here at Beachman. Beachman is a vintage electric motorcycle company here. We build a bike that has an e-bike, it could be a moped, or it could be a light motorcycle. So it's great because it's variable. We also have a removable battery in our bikes. We've designed with Panasonic cells here that you can unlock, pull out. The battery itself only weighs 25 pounds, with the bike itself weighing 200. So it's a quite nice, nimble, light platform for yourself. You're looking at 45 mile per hour top speed.
Okay.
And you're looking at, in terms of range, 55 miles standard, 75 miles of range in the extended capacity battery.
All right, so you gotta tell me, I mean, this doesn't look like any other e-bike I've come across, right?
Of course.
So you've got what looks like a motorcycle tank. You got this cool pleated seat. Tell me a little bit about the bike and how it came to be.
Yeah, of course, man. So what we did, we started in 2019 building these conversions in our garage. We started with a 1982 Honda CB125. And we ended up converting that, getting a couple questions around Toronto. We're a Toronto-based company.
Okay.
We build everything by hand.
Nice.
So what we did is we kept that old platform that we started with in a garage over in Toronto, refined that platform over 2 years, and then started selling them in 2021. So since then, what it pretty much looks like is we get the full bike, you do an order with us, we do a full assembly and build. And like I said, to circle back on the point of the question of a motorcycle, we use that exact same frame licensed by Honda to remanufacture this frame here. So you're looking at that 1982 Honda CB125, but built brand new today. So the full manufactured frame here.
That gives folks an idea of the size.
Yep,
So
yep.
they have a frame of reference. You've got some nice beefy tires on this.
Yep.
Who's buying this? Tell me a little bit about who's buying
So we've got a couple. Honestly, to put it simply, everyone. But if I'm going to talk specifics, it's great for kids who are a bit younger, honestly, like college students, getting around the campus. But to be honest with you, we sell a majority to our older customers, honestly. As Ben likes to say, our CEO, the silver foxes, you know what I mean? The guys who want something to ride around town. What's great about it too is you can convince the wife that you can take her on it too if she'll let you, because you got a 2 up there. So you can go around like that. But what's great about it especially is you're able to get that old classic Honda kind of platform that a lot of you guys probably had when you were younger.
Yeah.
And you get that today on that exact same tried and true platform, but converted to electric, no oil changes, none of that type of stuff. There's no service required with this bike. It's fantastic. It's super well balanced on that side of things. All you got to do is make sure the tires are popped up and charge that battery.
Nice. What kind of range do you get?
So you're looking at 55 miles standard range, 75 miles in the extended capacity battery. So it's great just honestly for all around the city. You're not going to be doing coast to coast trips or anything of that nature. It's just truly an authentic cafe racer.
Nice. I tell you, it caught my eye as soon as I came down the aisle. This is the coolest thing I've seen. You guys have nailed the retro vibe. This thing is gorgeous. It really is.
Thank you so much, Rob. We really appreciate it, man. Yeah, you can check us out over at beachmanbikes.com. You can do a full custom order there, or you can check out our site, our dealer map. We have dealerships all across North America. You can reach out to them. They're all great. They're happy to help you guys out.
And you ship this, correct?
We do. So we do 2 of options, which is really great. So you guys can go to a dealership, or you guys can go pretty much directly through us. You guys can go on our site, again, beachmanbikes.com. You can shoot me a text even personally. Again, my name's Harrison. You can text me at 416-991-7561 at any time, and I'm happy to answer any questions. So what we do is we pretty much fully build the bikes. It takes about 3 weeks to build them as of right now, about 7 to 10 business days to ship them right to your door. So we ship them fully assembled, ready to go in a crate there for you.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is gorgeous, and if it performs half of what you say it will, I think you guys are going to sell a ton of them. So
We will. Yeah.
thanks for spending some time with
My
us.
pleasure, Rob. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, man.